Hello guys. Today we will talk about volcanoes. What is a volcano? It is a rupture in the crust of a planetary mass object such as Earth that allows hot lava, volcanic ash, and gases to escape from a magma chamber below the surface. The study of volcanoes is called volcanology. Today we will talk about the several volcanic features. Please listen carefully. The first on the list is the shield volcano. This is named for their broad, shield-like profiles which are formed by the eruption of low-viscosity lava that can flow a great distance from a vent. An example of this kind of volcano is the Mauna Loa from Hawaii, the one that you can see in the picture. Another example is the Mount Canlaon from the Philippines, which rises to 8,087 feet or 2,465 meters above sea level and is the highest mountain on Negros Island and within the Visayas region. Another volcanic feature is a lava dome. Lava domes are built by slow eruptions of highly viscous lava, sometimes formed within the crater of a previous volcanic eruption, as in the case of Mount St. Helens, but can also form independently as in the case of Lassen Peak. Lava domes can produce violent explosive eruptions, but the lava does not flow far from the originating vent. In the Philippines, we have Mount Amorong, which is the only one of a cluster of small trachyandesitic lava domes and diatremes at the northern end of the Luzon Central Plain in Umingan, Pangasinan. Number 3. Cinder Cone Volcano. Cinder cones result from eruptions of mostly small pieces of scoria and pyroclastics that build up around the vent. Taal Volcano is a perfect example of this volcanic type and is the smallest active volcano in the world with an elevation of 1,020 feet or 311 meters at its highest point. But the crater lake that has formed inside its caldera is the largest lake on an island in the world. The fourth on the list is the stratovolcano, also known as composite volcano. Stratovolcanoes are tall, conical mountains composed of lava flows and tephra in alternate layers, the strata that gives rise to the name. Two of famous examples of this type of volcanoes in the Philippines are Mount Mayon, which is renowned for its perfect cone because of its symmetrical conical shape and is the most active volcano in the Philippines. It is located in the province of Albay in Bicol region with an elevation of 2,463 meters. And Mount Apo, which is a large, solfataric, potentially active stratovolcano in Davao region in the island of Mindanao, which is also known as Apo Sandawa. It is the highest mountain in the Philippine archipelago and the 24th highest peak of an island on Earth with an elevation of 3,143 meters above sea level. Number 5. Supervolcanoes. These are volcanoes that have experienced one or more eruptions that produced over 1,000 cubic kilometers of volcanic deposits in a single explosive event. This is considered the most dangerous type. An example of a supervolcano is the Yellowstone caldera in the United States of America, the one that you can see in this picture. Next, we have submarine volcanoes. These are common features of the ocean floor. Pillow lava is the common eruptive product of submarine volcanoes and is characterized by thick sequences of discontinuous pillow-shaped masses which form underwater. An example of this type of volcano in the Philippines is the Didicas volcano. It is an active volcanic island in the province of Cagayan in northern Philippines. The island, which was a submarine volcano, re-emerged from the sea in 1952, is 22 kilometers northeast of Camigan Island, one of the Babuyan Islands in Luzon Strait. On number 7, we have subglacial volcanoes. These volcanoes develop underneath ice caps. They are made up of lava plateaus capping extensive pillow lavas and palagonite. Most common in Iceland and Antarctica, but older formations are also found in British Columbia and Yukon Territory in Canada. The one in the picture is Mount Erebus, which is the second largest volcano in Antarctica. And on number 8, the last but definitely not the least, we have mud volcanoes. These are formations created by geo-excreted liquids and gases, although there are several processes which may cause such activity. In the Turtle Islands, in the province of Tawi-Tawi, the southwestern edge of the Philippines bordering Malaysia, presence of mud volcanoes are evident on 3 of these islands: the Lihiman, Great Bakungan, and Boan Islands. So those are our 8 volcanic features. I hope you learned something from today's lesson. Bye for now. See you on our next science videos.